Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2023 Grand Mariner 250 by Harris Boat. So we'll go ahead and start on the outside. So if you notice, one of the new designs for the Grand Mariner is they have the fiberglass front, very similar to the Crown, but they have this light package right here. This lights up. There's additional lights on the outside and inside of the boat that look really, really nice. But to complement the gloss black, we did a matte black up here. It's kind of hard to see right now because the sun's not out, but very comfortable boat, very luxurious boat, beautiful boat. Definitely will be noticed on the water if that's what you're looking for. We optioned it with the power tower in the back. So it's just a push of a button that will fold down. That's for storage purposes in either a garage or a lift. Front top is manual, but of course we optioned it with a double bimini package. This boat has a 400 horsepower Mercury on the back of it, so plenty of power to push this boat and its chassis along the water. We have the swim step right here as well. That does fold down into the water to give you another place to board and exit the boat. And then we have the boarding and exit ladder on the starboard side as well. Safety railing in the back. This is a single lounger floor plan. And of course, all the upgrades are on this boat, including the tower speakers, the display, the sound system, everything all and above. So you guys feel free to give us a call or come by and check it out. My name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. You can reach me at 936-223-6770. Have a great day.